Hello creative ones, this is Robin Dudley House coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. I am doing a really quick video on a tutorial for an Altoid tin, which, you know, lots of people have done this for several years now, but I just really wanted to do something since I'm committed to doing a tutorial on Tuesdays, and it's going to be part of a journal that I'm making for the Graphics Fairy. So I thought I'd show you kind of what I did. First of all, you're just going to use a regular Altoid tin, and this one I already painted, and I painted it with white gesso and also with this chalk paint. It's called parchment, and I did a couple coats on it, so just did it on the outside. I didn't really paint it on the inside. And the images I'm using are from the Graphics Fairy. They're kind of cute because they're already the shape of an Altoid tin, so they're the yellow ephemera Altoid tin printables. And it's from the Graphics Fairy premium membership site. So I cut some out, and I decided to use these three here, even though this was not going to be showing. So I'm going to glue those down. I did distress them a little bit with some brown ink on the sides, on the edges. I hope this is, I don't know if this is focusing. So and before I painted it, I did rough it up a little bit with some sandpaper. This is another Altoid tin I did a long time ago, and I just painted it with I spray painted it, but because it's nighttime here, I didn't want to spray paint inside my studio. And I put some clay on top of it, and it's kind of a little needle case, and that's kind of what I'm going to be using this for. So the journal I'm going to be making will be shown to you next week after Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, by the way, those of you in the United States. And this is the cover, and it's going to be a journal that holds some chunky stuff, and one of the chunky things is this box, and there's going to be signatures on the side here. And so this box opens, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to put an Altoid. This actually fits right in there and closes up so that you can utilize this. You can have a pin in there, area for little beads, or probably lace actually. And then this is going to be a needle case to hold needles. And what I did was I took a box like this and I covered it with music paper. Kind of took a long time, but I really wanted to do that. And then I kind of distressed it and put some more chalk paint on it. And these are just matchboxes that I glued together, and I'm going to put those in as little compartments. So if you have any little boxes around, that's what you can use them for. And this just opens up like this, just a little box. So I will show you this next week, what it's going to look like. I don't know what's wrong with me, but sometimes I just wait till the last minute to do stuff. Not sometimes, all the time. I kind of work better under pressure, even though it kind of drives me crazy. Okay, so I'm going to just glue the pages in here with Mod Podge, and hopefully that'll work. Glue that down. This isn't going to show anyhow, because it's going to be covered with a little piece of felt that I have, some felt that I've felted. It's wool that you can put in the wash and then dry it, and it automatically felts. I get it from Peacemakers in Costa Mesa. So I like that. I love any images of Jane Austen. I hope you can see this. And then I'm also going to do the outside. And glue this down, and then I'm going to decorate it with a little bit of lace and a bow and probably a little bit of glitter. A little crooked, it's starting to dry. So see, it's just simple and pretty. You could use these for business cards or for little gifts for Christmas, to put a gift card in. And you can make them with pictures of your family if you want to. Just going to go ahead and seal it on all edges here, just slightly. And kind of let that dry. I have some felt here that so this will go inside, and I just cut it with some scallop scissors that I have. You can find them on Amazon. They're really cool, and you can see how it's kind of wrinkly. It didn't look like that before I washed it. So I just put these in here, but you can use it for needles and thread. And because it's still wet, it just kind of goes right in there like that. And I am going to add some trim around the edge and then a bow. Probably wait till it dried normally, but we're on video time here. Everything looks pretty with lace and glitter, right? I think so. Oops, I did that the wrong way. I'm gonna do this like that. I know there's some craft channels that are worried about the COPA regulations, and I just wanted to know if you guys had any input and information about crafters who do videos on YouTube. It just really bummed me out because I'm just starting to get some momentum on this channel. Yeah, so if you have any information that you want to share, I'm all ears. I've been listening to some people who are talking about it, and so I'm not freaking out too much, but because obviously my channel and most crafters channels don't cater to children, but still makes you think. And I've heard I heard one woman in particular who was very rational about the whole thing, and so it kind of put my mind at ease. But see how pretty that is? Just a little bit of lace, and I'm going to put a bow right here. And you'll have a cute little gift for the holidays. You can make a bunch of these if you want. Pretty, huh? And that's going to open, and I can put whatever I want in there. This is my little needle case. And then this is going to go inside of here. And then it's going to go inside of my journal. And I'm going to decorate all this too, so it's going to look real pretty, I think. Of course, I love all these colors. And the whole book is going to be able to close once I make it all. So that was super quick, right? I know we're going to be super rushed and because of the holidays coming up. So I hope you find these little crafty, gifty type tutorials helpful. And I think they integrate pretty well with junk journals too. And speaking of junk journals, if you want to learn how to make the types of junk journals that I make and with, you know, fabric and how I do this type of technique, I have a wonderful online video class with over 20 hours of content. So you really get a lot for your money. And I have rave reviews about the class, and it's all in one place. You don't have to spend hours on YouTube trying to find different techniques. Everything's in one place on how to make a junk journal in the style that I do. So I'll leave the link below. And with that said, I am going to be having a Cyber Monday event. So stay tuned. Sign up for my newsletter so that you know what the code will be if you're interested in signing up for my online school, any of the classes on my online school. I will reveal what the discount will be on Cyber Monday. So you definitely want to sign up for my newsletter. It's actually, I'm probably going to make the reveal sometime on Saturday or Sunday this week. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.